Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Maisha Mahjabeen. Recently, I have completed my ESL course on HEXA'S AMBARKHANA. Now I will try to give a honest feedback of this course of HEXA'S AMBARKHANA. First of all, I want to talk about the teachers of this institution and also my instructors. My instructor was Johur Ali sir and Farhana ma'am. Truly said, their behavior was so good. They were so friendly, supportive and helpful. Whenever we asked them for helping us, they always helped us inside the class and outside the class. Then secondly, I want to talk about the classes. I always try to do the classes regularly. In the classes, they taught us properly. My instructors taught us the grammar very easily, so that now I can my confusion about the grammars is totally reduced, and now I am now I can. Secondly, I want to talk about the classes. I always try to do the classes regularly. In classes, our instructors taught the grammars very easily by taking practical examples, so that my confusions and fearness about grammar is totally reduced. And lastly, I want to talk about the clubs. In clubs, we can practice English more and more. That helps to develop our speaking level. Also, our club instructor taught us how can we easily speak in English. That also helped us. And the one thing which I liked about in this club, that we can talk in English properly or not, it's not matter. They always encourages us, and that also inspires us to speak in English fluently. And overall, I want to say that after doing this course in HEXA'S AMBARKHANA, I am really benefited. That helped me to develop my English speaking level, and it's reduced my mumbling and also make me very fluent in speaking in English. So I am very grateful to them because they really helped me, and I am benefited. Thank you everyone.